This is the home screen of the application, and the first thing that we see are these templates which you can use. All you have to do is just upload a clear image of yourself. Let's say this one here where it says dream birthday, you just tap on the one that you want, upload a clear image of yourself, and you should be okay. As you can see here, it will give you the prompt that they have used to generate that birthday effect. All you have to do is just tap on the arrow icon here and it will generate it. But you're gonna need a pro subscription. Most of these features you're gonna pretty much need a subscription, guys. So as you can see here, quite a lot of templates which you can use. As you can see here, the avatar option there, all of them do on the top see all, and I can pretty much use any one of these. Most of these, if not all of these, you're gonna need a subscription. So in the image section here as well, you're gonna see a lot of images which you can either edit. These are AI generated image, by the way. So let's say for example this one here, I want to change something in the image. I can tap on edit and pretty much enter what I want to change in this image. That's all I have to do. And if I go back here, I can recreate the same image, recreate the image, but by using the prompt that they have created the image. So tap on recreate here, I can see the prompt that they have used to create that image. Now tap on the star icon below this here, I'll be able to enhance this prompt here that they have used, but too much words already, so I won't be able to enhance it. But I'll be able to enhance the prompt, so I'll be able to get a better quality image that is similar to that one that I've selected. So down here you have different styles which you can select as well. Here you have, if I tap on the styles option, I can see all the styles available, or I can go in my style section, but you can see all the styles available here. And all you have to just select whichever one you want to use. You have the aspect ratio that you can select, but only one is available if you don't have the subscription. And also down here in the advanced section, most of these you're gonna pretty much need a subscription. So that's pretty much it for that there. And the video option, video generating option where we text the video, you're gonna need a subscription for that feature as well. So let's say for example one of these images here, I can always follow the person that I've created this image, but this one is created by the application itself. So I'm going to search for one. Okay, this one here. This one is created by someone else. I can follow the person that I've created this image. And if I scroll down and tap on generation details, I'll be able to see what they have used to create the image and also the prompt that they have used to create the image. So to create my own AI image, all I have to do is just tap on the plus icon here, tap on text generate image, and here I can generate my own AI image as I was going through before. The video section, you won't be able to access that unless you have the pro feature or the pro subscription, but it's the similar procedure, but you'll be able to only enter your text information or your prompt. So nothing much for that. The style option, you'll be able to see all the styles that they have available on their application. So as you can see here, quite a lot of styles which you can use. So the explore option here, this section here is pretty much where you'll be able to see other videos or images created by other people on the application. Here you have the video section, similar to TikTok where you can scroll. You have the option to scroll to see other videos and images. If you tap on the image section here, other images created by other people, and I can always tap on them, recreate them, and also can go ahead and follow these people and see what else they have created as well, not just the one that I've selected, but others, if they do have, can see what they have created. And if I tap on one, for example here, I can also see the prompt that they have used to create it. So very easy application to use. And over here where it says creation, this is pretty much where you'll see all the AI videos, AI photos that I've created using this application. So that's pretty much it. I'm at the top here. Tap on Get Pro. This is where you go to get your subscription. As you can see here, the prices and everything for subscription and what to be getting. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I miss anything at all, do keep in mind, if you don't have any stars to generate, you can always buy stars, I would say stars, to generate your images or your videos. So as you can see here, the prices and everything. But if you're a pro user, you get 50% off. So that's it. If I miss anything at all, comment below and let me know. See you in the next one.